Angelina, Ballerina, and today Miss Mimi had taught us a really special dance. Many famous composers had inspired by nature to write their best music. Just listen to this. That was inspired by the changing seasons. Now listen to this. That was a lovely piece about a young deer. See how music comes from nature? Now I want you all to go outside and create your very own nature dance. And then we'll perform it in the lunchtime theater. I found a great piece of music. It's called The Flight of a Bumblebee. Listen. Does that sound like a bee? Buzzing around, real tizzy, and zigzagging all over the place. Oh, that was fun! We were zigging and zagging around like bumblebees. All this had fun. Until a nickel you-know-who showed up. Where's the bumblebee? How's he gone? It was only pretend, Polly. We're making up a dance about bees. Oh, I can do bumblebees. Look. Hey, Polly, why don't you go and be a busy bee downstairs? I think Mom needs some help. Okay. Buzz. And this town Miss Lily Award goes to Team Angelina. Yay! This is absolutely, positively the greatest day of my life. Hey, I have a great idea that we can go. Lots of nature and no little sisters. It's not fair. I want to go and be with all the big girls. I know, dear, but you'll be a big girl one day. Mom, can we have a snack to take out to the park? We need to have lots of ideas for nature. I don't see why not. Yay, can I come? Pretty please with cheese? Please, Angelina. Be a good big sister now. There's lots of nature to inspire us out here. Okay, relax, Polly. We're not being bees anymore. Let's find some place to have our snack. I know a really, really good place. Follow me. Okay, we've got a great bumblebee dance. What else could we do? Let's play hide and seek. No, Polly, we're practicing for our nature dance. I know, let's do a bird dance. Yes, stupendous idea. And look, there's a perfect place to land. That was awesome. We look just like a flock of birds. Yes, we're graceful and fluttery, but a bit floppy too. Where's Polly? Quack, 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 quack. I'm being a duck now. We didn't mean that kind of bird, Polly. Stop messing around, Polly. We're trying to do proper dancing. What else could we try? I know, trees! Yes, trees blowing in the wind. What are you doing now, Polly? I'm a tree that's been blown down, and now I'm being a log. A log? Yes, Dad always says he sleeps like a log. Polly, you're so funny. No, she's not. She's just showing off. She's ruining everything. We'll never have our nature dance ready. I wish you just stayed at home. I'm fed up with Polly tagging us all the time. She's always getting in the way. She's only little, and she's so much fun. Yes, sometimes. Where is she anyway? Oh no, she's gone. I upset her and she ran away. I was only trying to help. I know, she didn't mean to be nasty to you. What's that? I don't know. Sounds interesting though. Let's go and see what it is. Polly, Polly, where are you? Polly! Oh, where is she? Well, maybe she's hiding. Polly, are you in there? What am I going to tell Mom and Dad? I was horrible to her and now I'll never see her again. Hold on a minute. Vicky's not here either. She must have gone with her. What if she didn't? Polly, Polly, where are you? Hello, over here. Oh, Polly, I thought you ran away. I'm sorry I was mean to you. She's fine. And look, we found something really interesting. Come and have a look. Oh, look at them. They're so cute. They certainly love to hop around. Whoa, this will be a perfect nature dance, Polly. Let's do a grasshopper dance. It'll be great. It'll have ziggy zaggy bees. And flippy flappy birds. And whooshy windy trees. And hippity hoppity grasshoppers. Oh, Polly, I do love you. Our nature dance is going to be magnifique. Yes, with the hop of the grasshopper.